Probably heard the phrase, in Linux, everything is a file. It sounds strange at first, but it's one of the core principles of how Linux works. In Linux, almost everything is represented as a file. Not just text files, but hardware devices, system information, running processes, network connections, and more. Your keyboard is exposed as a file in the device input directory. Your audio hardware can be accessed through the sound directory under devices. System information is made available through a virtual folder called proc. Network interfaces are listed under the system class directory. And of course, your personal documents and files are stored in the home directory. But these aren't regular files saved on a disk. They're interfaces, ways for programs to interact with the system. When you run a command like cat cpu info, you're not reading a stored file. You're asking the kernel for live information, and it responds in real time. There are also special files used for control. For example, when you redirect output to the null device, it discards everything sent to it. It doesn't store anything. It simply absorbs the data and ignores it. Even your terminal is treated as a file. Programs use numbered file descriptors to communicate. 0 is for input, 1 is for output, 2 is for errors. These are all connected to your terminal session through virtual files. This model allows Linux to handle everything in a simple and consistent way. Reading from a keyboard is no different than reading from a file. Writing to a screen is the same as writing to a file. Whether it's a device, a stream, or a process, it's all accessed through the same mechanism. This is why people say everything is a file, because in Linux, it's not just a metaphor.